hope to see you guys on Friday and Saturday. If you guys are in New Mexico area, park at the Sky City Travel Center, and we're giving away free showers, of course, free parking, free hot dogs. You get 75 gallons. The buffet is on the house. All right. So that's from 10 to 6 for Friday and Saturday, and I'll be there. You see me, all those things are going to be on the house. We worked out that great deal. Okay, so let's get into this FMCSA public announcement. The FMCSA just made this announcement today, and they're emailing out all carriers on this. So make sure you're good to go. So if you don't have time for a 5-6 minute video, that's fine. We're going to give it to you right here. Basically, 4 ELDs are being discontinued. You need to use the registered list of ELDs, which I'll have a link down below. And with that, you're allowed to go back to paper log for 60 days. Okay. I'm not telling you to read between the lines here, but I'm just saying they're pretty much telling every single truck driver in America that you're allowed to go paper log for the next 60 days until you get an ELD that they confirm is legit. So for whatever reason, these ELDs are not legit anymore. And I don't know why. I'm sure we know, but let's get into this video and let's talk about it. So the question of the day for the truck drivers out there: was trucking better or worse when it was paper log versus ELD now? I'm very curious to see what company drivers will say about that. But let's read on to this and give you guys some of this information so that you have it, okay? So just so you know, I'm not making none of this junk up. This is on the FMCSA.gov website. You guys should all have links to this. Latest news: FMCSA removes 4 devices from the list of registered ELDs. Okay, let's click on this bad boy. Okay, Washington, D.C. today, which is December 11th, U.S. Department of Transportation, Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, removed 4 devices from the agency's list of registered electronic logging devices, or ELDs. So they are Columbus ELD, model number C-US, and Master ELD, model numbers MELD02, MELD03, and MELD04. Devices were placed on the revoked device list due to the company's failure to meet the minimum requirements established in 49 CFR Part 395. So the removal was effective today, which is December 11th. Okay, so FMCSA will send an industry-wide email to inform all motor carriers that this ELD is revoked, and you must take the following steps, it says. Okay, number 1, discontinue using revoked ELD and revert to paper logs or logging software to record required hours of service data. Number 2, replace the revoked ELDs with compliant ELDs from the registered device list. So I'll put this link down below as well so that you guys have it. But there's a slew of them. There's a lot of them out here that are legit. I don't know why these ones get discontinued, but for some reason, these 4 did. Okay. And so I'll put a link down below. If you're scared and you're worried, that's what you need to do. Okay. So it says here, motor carriers have up to 60 days to replace the revoked ELDs with compliant ELDs. If the ELD provider correct all identified deficiencies for their devices, the motor carrier has up to 60 days to replace the revoked ELDs with compliant ELDs. So during this time, safety officials are encouraged not to cite drivers using the revoked ELDs. So when you go on paper log, you shouldn't get cited, okay? So I'm highlighting that right there. Show that to them. I don't want you, okay, let me put my face all big here. I don't want you guys to show them the Mutha Trucker News channel and say, you can't give me a ticket because this was on Mutha Trucker News. No, go to the FMCSA and say, hey, man, I had one of these ELDs that you guys said that were legit, and now it is not. So FMCSA is saying during this time to February 9th that you will not cite me. So beginning February 9th of 2025, motor carriers who continue to use the revoked devices listed above will be considered as operating without an ELD. Safety officials who encounter a driver using a revoked device after February 9th will basically say, will place driver out of service. So, I definitely don't want that for you guys. So pay attention to this. I check on this a lot. I know it's my job to do so. But Mother Truckers, I want you to know that, FMCSA, they changed their rules and regulations a whole lot for no dang reason. And when they do, I don't want you to get put out of service. So make sure that if you are using it, go paper logs and you have 60 days till February 9th. Mother Truckers, comment down below and I will see you guys very, very soon. I appreciate you guys. I thank you. And, thank you for allowing me to just give you all these updates. It means the world to me. And I thank you for that. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow and I'll see you guys at Sky City. I'll be there tomorrow flying in. So, the good fun doesn't start until Friday and Saturday. But, I'll be there tomorrow to shake some hands. So that's cool.